Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices, update iTunes and the iPhone so versions match. Connect with a certified USB cable or enable Wi-Fi sync in iTunes, then unlock the phone and tap Trust when prompted. Once connected, choose whether to back up to iTunes or iCloud. Make a quick backup now to avoid losing purchases or settings. With the phone recognized in iTunes, you can proceed to select which content to transfer and how to manage conflicts. You now choose what to sync. Click the device icon and move through Summary, Music, Photos, and Apps tabs to control each content type. Tick Sync for the categories you want and refine choices. Pick playlists, genres, or specific albums so only desired files transfer. If you prefer manual control, enable Manually Manage Music and Videos and drag items to the device. Once options look right, click Apply or Sync to start the transfer and watch progress in the status. You finish by letting iTunes complete the transfer. Don't disconnect mid-sync and click Eject before unplugging. Once done, check the iPhone apps and media to confirm everything arrived. If items are missing, make sure those categories are still ticked in iTunes and that the phone isn't set to overwrite with another library. One key troubleshooting tip: if music or playlists refuse to sync, temporarily disable iCloud Music Library or Apple Music on the phone. Then retry the iTunes sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.